Today we're exploring Email Millionaire, a product designed to assist users in generating income through email marketing. According to its creators, this program offers strategies and tools aimed at enhancing email marketing efforts, potentially leading to increased revenue. Email Millionaire appears to provide a comprehensive approach to email marketing, focusing on building effective email lists and crafting compelling content. The program is intended for individuals that are seeking to leverage email marketing as a revenue stream, regardless of their prior experience in this field. Upon initial examination, Email Millionaire seems to offer a structured framework for understanding and implementing email marketing strategies. The materials provided are reportedly user friendly, catering to both beginners as well as seasoned marketers. Key features of Email Millionaire include step by step guides on list building, templates for email campaigns, and insights into audience engagement techniques. The program also offers tools for tracking and analyzing campaign performance, which could be beneficial for optimizing marketing efforts. The functionality of Email Millionaire is centered around its educational content and practical tools. Users are guided through the process of setting up email campaigns, segmenting audiences, and utilizing analytics to refine their strategies. The inclusion of templates and examples may assist users in creating effective emails more efficiently. In terms of ease of use, Email Millionaire is designed to be accessible to users with varying levels of expertise. The structured approach and clear instructions could make it straightforward to follow. The effectiveness of the program, as suggested by its creators, lies in its comprehensive coverage of email marketing aspects, potentially enabling users to implement successful campaigns. When compared to similar products, Email Millionaire seems to offer a blend of educational content and practical tools. This combination might provide a more holistic approach than some alternatives that focus solely on one aspect of email marketing. For those currently managing email campaigns manually, the resources provided by Email Millionaire could streamline the process, potentially saving time and improving efficiency. Advantages of Email Millionaire include its user-friendly design, comprehensive content, and practical tools that may assist users in enhancing their email marketing efforts. However, potential disadvantages could involve the need for users to dedicate time to learn and implement the strategies provided, which might be a consideration for those with limited availability. User feedback on the sales page indicates positive experiences, with testimonials highlighting the program's effectiveness in improving email marketing results. Users have reported increased engagement and revenue, attributing those outcomes to the strategies learned through Email Millionaire. Regarding pricing, Email Millionaire is offered at a cost of $37. Considering the range of features and resources included, this price point may be viewed as affordable for individuals seeking to invest in their email marketing capabilities. In summary, Email Millionaire presents itself as a comprehensive resource for those looking to enhance their email marketing strategies. With its blend of educational content and practical tools, it could be a valuable asset for users aiming to generate income through email marketing.